Hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new videos. So let's start this video without wasting any time. So guys, at first you have to go in your Tiki app, and after that you can create accounts with your Googles, or you can create Facebooks by choosing these two options, or here you can just create accounts by your directly with your phone numbers uh, to mobile direct. Okay guys, so if you have any accounts in your Facebook or Google, so you have to just click it that to sign up your accounts. Okay, so how you have to do, so guys, if you don't want to do sign up with these two apps, if you want to just directly do, then how you have to do, I will just show. At first you have to click your numbers. No, you have to just sign up. Just click in the Facebook, and after that now you can see this, your name will become in the options continue as like this. So you have to just click in your names, and after that you can see this logging in. So after this you can see this, how is this. So guys, this how you can open your Tiki accounts from your Facebook. So guys, this is the video and thanks for watching.